Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you've been keeping updated, then you know that I've currently been on a 2-week holiday with a load of friends from home, going up the Californian coast, up to San Francisco, San Diego, LA, Yosemite, which we just came from, and now we're actually here in Vegas. Managed to get a great deal on a last minute hotel, which I'll put a link to, but here for a couple of nights and just excited to be here really. Enjoy some of the nightclubs, the casinos, and just relax is the plan. But for this video I want to show you something really cool, okay? For those of you that are doubting whether you can do social media marketing, start your own business or do online kind of things, this is, you know, kind of the world that we're living in and at the moment, okay? So any barriers that you think you have with internet and you know, maybe not having a laptop or money to start, this is just to demonstrate and show you that this is the way forward, okay? And are you ready? Alexa, turn off. Alexa, turn back on.
Sorry, I didn't find a device named that.
Alexa, turn on music.
Playing with music from iHeartRadio.
Just a quick demonstration of, you know, Alexa, the world we're living in. She's very temperamental and sensitive, okay, so you got to be careful, but that really is, you know, the world that we are living in. We're so connected, which is great for everybody. It gives you an opportunity to do something or start something. So yeah, just don't think about it too much. Start learning the skills which I want to show you, and hopefully one day very soon you'll be able to come out here and experience this for yourself. Until next time, peace out guys.